Hey everybody, Adam Bate here, and in today's video I wanted to talk to you about 3 different types of keywords. Now when you're conducting your keyword research and you're uncovering potential keywords for a campaign or a project or even your own website, you're going to want to take those keywords and the list of keywords you find and really break them out into 3 distinct groups or types of keywords. Now the first type of keyword, or the first group of keyword, is called navigational keywords. Now these types of keywords, they're usually more overlooked on smaller projects, because they are typically more important to larger brands, since they're usually brand-specific keywords and search terms. And the reason for this is that the intent behind this group of keywords is to navigate somewhere specific. Now, as an example of a navigational keyword, we could use something like Royal Bank Online Banking. The users know exactly where they want to go, but they're using search and they're using these keywords in order to navigate to get there. The next group of keywords we're going to look at are informational keywords. Now these types of keywords can include many how-to or something versus something keywords. Pricing keywords can also fall into this group as well. And the idea here is that the searcher intent behind these keywords is that they're looking for specific information. Now this group of keywords can be further broken down into 2 little subsections that we'll look at. The first one being problem-solving related keywords, and the second one being research-based keywords, which will have varying intent within the informational keyword group. So I'll give you a quick example of each of these. Now a problem-solving keyword could be something like, how do I stack firewood? Or where is the best place to stack firewood? This is a pretty basic informational keyword that solves a problem that the searcher has right now, stacking firewood. This keyword probably has a mix of video and written content high in the search results pages. Now, a research-based informational keyword, keeping with a similar industry, could be something like, what sized wood stove do I need to heat my house? Or something like wood stove versus pellet stove, where, unlike the first keyword example, this is more research-driven. Yes, I do have a problem heating my home, but now I'm in the process of looking for very specific information. What size wood stove would it take to heat my home? Now this keyword isn't going to necessarily convert on the first visit. They're probably not going to search for these keywords, land on your website, and buy a wood stove or purchase firewood from you, for example. But it is a great chance to get in front of the searcher in time of need, to build your credibility and brand and trust based on these informational keywords and building your reputation and authority in the industry. Now the third and final keyword group we're going to cover today are transactional keywords. Now these types of keywords are closer to the bottom of the funnel, where the searcher is looking to make a transaction sooner than later, and certainly sooner than they would be if they were using informational keywords. Keeping with the same industry, these could be keywords like city wood stove, or city wood stove for sale, or where to buy a wood stove near me, or buy wood stove online. These are all very purchase-driven keywords where the searcher intent is more focused on the transaction than it is the research. Now in an industry like this one, with a higher ticket purchase price, this may not lead to an online conversion, but it may lead to a phone call or a contact submission or a visit into your store in order to find the information and to purchase the product that they're looking for. Personally, this is what I did when I bought my wood stove. Yes, I did start with a geo-modified search in my city, but I ended up going into the store and making the purchase that way. But it was the Google search that drove me to the location. So those are the 3 keyword groups or types of keywords that I wanted to cover today. I hope this shed a little bit of light and gave you a little insight into the different types of keywords that you can use when conducting your keyword research, and just something to keep in mind when you're doing your keyword research and mapping to specific pages to make sure that the intent and the type of keywords get mapped to the right page on your website in order to lead them through that purchase decision based on where they are in the intent of the search. So hope this helps. If you have any questions, of course, let us know. Happy to answer. All the best and take care.